Thanks for checking in with us on Spectrum News 1 here on what has been a very active Saturday so far, and we are not out of the woods just yet. Latest guidance from the Storm Prediction Center has the area under that slight risk for severe thunderstorms with a very small area of an enhanced risk here. So scattered severe storms certainly possible as we go through the rest of the day, but we are lucking out. For our Saturday, it looks like the best dynamics will be across the deep south, a rare high risk issued from the Storm Prediction Center. You never want to see this, so a catastrophic tornado outbreak looks likely for portions of Mississippi and Alabama. Again, we are toward the northern edge, and a lot of that activity to the south is going to rob the energy for the potential for storms in our area, which is certainly good news. We still have that enhanced tornado risk, though, so keep that in mind. We could see some spin-up tornadoes, especially this afternoon, damaging wind gusts as well. That's also elevated, and a threat for some damaging hail as well. So make sure you know where your safe spot is. Make sure you've got that plan of action ready to go, because things could change very rapidly at times as we go through the day. So plan on heavy rain with embedded thunderstorms. Some of those could be severe. We saw some of those severe storms earlier this morning, especially across far western parts of the Commonwealth with many tornado warnings. We'll see all that heavy rain moving through at times throughout the afternoon and into the evening. By tonight, really starting to ease up. The widespread rain should be out of here. More scattered nature showers in the overnight and into early Sunday morning. And we're just looking at a cold and breezy, kind of a raw day on Sunday. Winds could easily gust 25, 35 miles an hour or higher at times. If you get in some of those cells that are severe, winds could gust even higher than that, maybe 50, 60, or 70 miles an hour. Overall, the gusty wind threat should really start to ease by the time we get toward our Sunday morning. So temperatures in the 60s this morning, slowly falling by about a degree an hour or so throughout the day and into tonight. And by tomorrow morning, we'll most likely be in the mid-40s for our temperatures. And we'll continue to slowly fall through our Sunday. A chilly day on Monday, upper 50s. We warm up Tuesday and Wednesday before cooling right back down by Thursday.